Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're doing a cracking clay video. I watched a lot of videos from YouTuber Maqaroon and she's been making lots of fun clay cracking videos, so I thought I would give it a try. This is part of my new series where I try out DIY and tutorials from other YouTubers. So if you have a favorite YouTuber who does DIY tutorials and you want me to try it out, just let me know down below in the comment section. So here are the supplies. Basically, you need some soft clay. I have a Daiso brand, and you need some nail polish. So over here, I have 6 bright colors. And to change it up a little bit, I'm going to add something inside my clay balls. So I have some slime, different types. I have these Slimy Cafes, the Fluffy Whips, Drizzlers, and Jammies. And I also have a few other slimes that I opened recently. Alright, so let's get started. So let's take our clay, and as you can see, this clay from Daiso is actually really nice and soft. So here's our Daiso clay, and as you can see, Daiso clay is so fun. It's so nice and soft. Okay, so let's start with the ball. And then we're going to make a little dent in the middle and fill it in with our choice of slime. For the first one, I'm going to use some Slimy Cafe Jammies. This one's fun and stretchy. And we're just going to embed it in the middle. This is turning out to be a really big ball. But that's okay. I think the cracking will be better if it's bigger. For the next one, we're going to add some Drizzlers, also from the Slimy Cafe. Drizzler slime, add into our ball. This is like making a bun, one of those Chinese buns. For this third ball, we're going to add this kind of like magic sand foam. So this is actually really cool. Look at this, oh my goodness. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that right in the middle. Oh my gosh, it's like alive. Add more clay, make sure it doesn't explode out of there. For number 4, I'm going to take my latest Poopsie Slime Surprise here with some of this really cool slime. This one has glitter in it. So we're going to take a few chunks of that. Number 5, we're going to put in some mermaid slime. And for the very last one, we're going to add some Nickelodeon slime with some foam balls in it. Oh, you know what? This is going to be really cool because I can already hear it crunching. Oh, look at that. This one's gonna be really nice. Alright guys, so I have my 6 balls and they are actually really big, so I don't know if this is a good thing or not. So these balls are really big and I have these little bottles. So another thing I'm worried about is whether or not I have enough nail polish. So let's go ahead and give as many coats as we can with the paint that we have. Okay, so here is our first one. And again, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. I think we want this to be very thick, so let's go ahead and just kind of pour it on. Actually, you know what? It might be smart to wear some gloves. Oh my gosh, this is fun. I've never done this with nail polish before. I use so much of it at a time. Now we're going to let them dry for a few days. Alright everyone, so our cracking clay balls are ready. So these don't look very beautiful, they're kind of lumpy, and I think maybe it's the clay that I used was just too soft. Next time if I make another one, I think I'll use a different type of clay. So let's go ahead and test it out. I have the hot pink one, and let's just crack it open and see how it sounds. so it didn't crack at all. However, we see our little unicorn slime in here. Let's try the next one. Maybe this one would be better. Oh, this one is much better. And this one we have the Poopsie Slime Surprise. Okay, here's the red one. This one has the pink slime. Number 4. And this one has one of the Slimies. Alright, the green one. This one had a sand alive. And our very last one. Ooh. This one had our blue slime. Alright everyone, so that took a long time to make. However, it was really fun popping it. So I think there is a bit of a technique in popping it. You kind of have to pop it really fast to get that nice crack. However, I think I want to try a different type of clay to see if there's any difference. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of these cracking clay balls. And are there other DIYs that you want me to try? Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!